What's up, Mercado Nation? I'm back with another video. As you can see, I'm starting this one off in my truck because I want to talk to you guys a little bit today about making money selling shoes, sourcing shoes, buying shoes for a cheap price, selling them for more, or buying them for retail, selling them for more. Right now, I'm on my way to make a sale, not for any shoes. I'm actually selling a car seat that my son grew out of, so I'm gonna go make $20 quick, easy, nice little flip. And then I'm going to drive up the road. Sorry for that. I'm gonna be driving up the road more to pick up some Jordans, brand new out of the box, for $120. They're selling for about $220 online. Do the math, guys. I'm gonna make a profit just by buying some shoes from one person, going and selling it somewhere else for more money. There's a lot of money to be made in the shoe industry. I used to sell shoes back in the day when I was 16, 17 years old. I made tons of money doing it. I actually miss it. I was a huge sneakerhead. I used to camp out for shoes. I used to get all the hot releases. I've had so many kicks, walls full of shoes. And I really miss the game because there's a lot of money to be made in the industry. And I have a huge amount of love and passion for sneakers. I love sneakers. As I grew older, I realized that I don't want to really spend my money on sneakers because I did spend a lot of money on buying shoes and keeping them in my closet. And then I always made money when I sold them at the end, but I still have a true passion for shoes and I have a love for shoes. So I'm going to continue this journey. I'm going to take you guys along with me. Sorry I'm talking so much, but I'm going to show you how you can just buy some shoes and literally flip them for more, where to flip them, what sites to buy and flip shoes from. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Alright, guys, so as you guys can see, I did buy those shoes. These are the shoes I bought. They're brand new, brand spanking new, guys. And this is what I want to explain to you is that if you want to resell sneakers or anything out there, but specifically this video is about reselling sneakers, all you have to do is buy a pair like I did today for $120, brand new, brand spanking new, and I already have them listed on eBay and someone already made me an offer. I accepted the offer. I'm waiting for the payment and I'm going to be shipping these out. So all said and done, when I receive my payment through PayPal, I done profited $90 to $95 just by buying these shoes today from a lady for $120, putting it up on eBay for $215 I posted it for, or $230, but I took an offer of $215. I just profited $95 on this sale right here. This is a super great way to start the year. Like I said, I'm probably going to get back into the reselling game because I used to have, and I still do have, a crazy passion and love for sneakers. I'm going to throw these back in here, but I am wicked excited because I have these sneakers here sold for $215 and I only paid $120 today. That's exactly how you guys as well can resell sneakers, flip shoes, buy them from, you can buy shoes on eBay, you can buy shoes on OfferUp Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace. Facebook groups are awesome. Guys, there is a lot. When I say a lot, there's a lot of money to be made in the reselling community. People are reselling everything. I have tons of items behind me that I have to resell. Shoes, hats, glassware. It doesn't matter what it is. There's so much out there that you can do and make just by reselling it. Buying it for a low cost, Go dumpster diving. I've found so many things dumpster diving. Shoes, even sneakers. You can find anything out there, guys, for cheap or free, and put it up on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Facebook groups, any platform you can sell on. Don't be afraid. But right here, guys, a super good pickup. I'm actually going to box it up. As soon as I get the payment, I'm going to ship it out. I'm going to ship these shoes out, and I'm going to cash in $90 to $95 after fees profit from these Air Jordan 11s. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one, guys. Peace out.